Right, so if we're converting between kilometers per hour and meters per second, we need to use the graph that we've been given. So first of all, we identify what the unit we're starting in is. So let's look at this one first, and we want 20 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So we start at 20 kilometers per hour, which is here, and we go across from there until we hit our line, and then we go down from that point and see where we get to the meters per second. So this is the key point here. We're going to across from 20 and then we go down, and that gives us an answer of 6 meters per second. If we were going from meters per second into kilometers per hour, we need to start at meters per second. So we go down to this axis here. We go 15. So we're going to go up to the line this time till we meet the line there, and then we go across from that line till we get to the kilometers per hour axis, and we can see we're between 50 and 60, and we're a fifth of the way between 50 and 60. So that is, each of those must be 2, so that is 52 kilometers per hour. Right, this third one we're going to look at is a bit more interesting because we want to go 60 meters per second into kilometers per hour, but our graph doesn't go up as far as 60. So what we're going to do? Well, we can see that it's a straight line, the relationship, which means it will continue on like that off the page. So what we need to do is say, okay, well, we can work out what 20 meters per second is in kilometers an hour. So we can say that 20 meters per second equals, let's say, what does that equal? 72 kilometers per hour. And if 20 equals 72, we consider this is like a ratio question. So 20, this is meters per second, this is kilometers per hour. So 20 goes to 72, but we want to find 60 meters per second. So how are we scaling that up? We multiply by 3. So therefore we must do the same thing over here. Multiply by 3. 72 times 3, 216 kilometers per hour.